Are you aware of the incredible benefits that artificial intelligence can provide? AI can significantly enhance our lives in numerous ways. For example, it can make the world a safer place. Smart traffic control systems powered by AI reduce accidents and congestion on roads, and machine learning algorithms are helping police forces prevent crime. Medical diagnosis and treatment is another area where AI can help improve patient outcomes. AI-powered machines analyze medical data at a faster rate than human doctors, allowing for an earlier diagnosis of illnesses and more targeted treatments. Further, AI can also safeguard the environment. Smart technology that uses machine learning to collect and analyze data can help monitor air, water, and soil quality, alerting us to any issues that may endanger our natural resources. These are just a few examples of the many benefits of AI. Embracing this technology can unlock endless possibilities for a better future. Thank you for watching. Be sure to subscribe to our channel for more information.